My name is Andre Page with Lore Technology.
And I'm Torsten Nelson with IDS Imaging.
Thank you for joining us today as we go through this journey, the technical aspects of the Ensenso 3D stereo camera. So this is one of my favorite pieces. We did a quick intro a few months ago back in Automate in Chicago. Pleasure to see you again.
Yeah, likewise.
So thank you for being here, and can you tell us what we're looking at today?
Yeah, so here on the screen we have a view into our NX viewer, which is a proprietary yet free software pairing with the Ensenso camera. So right here we're showing the disparity map, which shows essentially the depth, or how to read the depth information from the stereo camera. So as it goes from cooler blue colors to the red, it shows different points that are at different levels of depth. And you take that information, like we have a tire here for car assembly, where you could do quality assurance or stuff in that kind of direction.
Okay, and what other applications can we see this working?
Yeah, depth information is important for a lot of different projects, applications. That includes everything from bin picking applications to quality assurance, finding scratches or imperfections on surfaces, or even they're in a lot of medical devices. So I've seen surgical devices with the Ensenso 3D camera as a component of it for depth information in robotics.
Can you tell us how that will work in the medical field? Any examples from the top of your mind?
Yeah, I've heard of some surgical applications that are brain surgery or spinal surgery type stuff. So this really emphasis on the precision and the high accuracy of the system. Because essentially it helps in guiding a robotic surgery applications.
Can you tell us a little more about how the stereo vision works?
Yeah, so it's a pretty simple concept. It's like your eyeballs, two different reference points of the same object, allows you to gather 3D information, not just 2D information. So in a simplistic example, this would be like driving with two eyes versus driving with an eye patch on. Your depth perception is going to be off. So that's the concept of the camera essentially. And in the center there's a projector, which we put a randomized pattern, which helps the two cameras localize and therefore increase the accuracy of the system overall.
Well, that's all I have today. Torsten, thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. If you have any questions or would like to hear more about the Ensenso, feel free to reach out to loretech.io.